ginger and brown sugar steamed egg. Wash the ginger. Scrape off the ginger skin. Cut the ginger into cubes. Put the ginger cubes into a blender. Add some water. Blend it. Pour the blended ginger extract into a bowl. Add some hot water to dissolve the brown sugar. We use Imperial Peony double boiler 300 milliliters. Crack 2 eggs into the double boiler. Add 3 tablespoons of melted brown sugar. Add 3 tablespoons of ginger extract. Stir it evenly. Add some milk and mix well. Remove the bubbles from the mixture. Steam for 15 to 20 minutes. A healthy and warming egg dessert is ready to enjoy.